Now this is exciting. Go-karting. I haven't done that for about 2 years now at Revolution Karting, so just about to sign in. Looking forward to a speedy adventure. Checked in at Revolution Karting, just waiting for our turn, and look at this group go. So it's 8 laps per round. We're going to be doing 3 rounds. This should be quality. It goes up to 40 miles per hour, maximum speed. So hopefully I can get to the top speed, but I'm not a driver, so I'm not sure how far or how fast I will go. This is my mate, Connor. It's his first time. Are you excited? You looking forward to it?
Excited, yes.
Okay. Nervous?
First time. Nervous, but I drive, so.
But to be fair, you're the driver and I'm not, so that's the advantage you hold. But my goal is to be able to beat his time.
It's the first time, my first time. It's your second time. You have advantage.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
Let's see how it goes.
Looking a bit like Lewis Hamilton right now. There you go.
I will try to take a little short one, alright? You ready? You can go. They're coming out, the drivers on the track.
Rounds done on 8 laps per round here at Revolution Karting. I thought this time round I did so much better than my previous experience. I love the outdoor experience. Highly recommend it if you want to come with your mates. I mean, there's a variety of options here, whether it's the 3 for 2, so you do 8 laps times by 3, which is the offer currently, or you can do full races, 50 laps or so. So check them out, Revolution Karting, really recommend it. But hey, you over there, how was your first experience?
My first time, it wasn't bad, it was a nice experience.
Yeah, but what did you find difficult?
The steering, man, it's stiff.
It's stiff?
Yeah.
Okay.
Apart from that, my first time, but not a bad experience.
But the best thing is I overlapped him on each of the 3 times, bro.
Yeah, 3 times?
It was all three races I overlapped him.
My first time. Next time you see me. Well done.
Enjoyed it. See you on my next video. Ciao.